I'm a movie buff. I still am learning cinema. Whatever I learn, I upgrade myself, I implement, and Deva is that. And for Deva, I can't talk much because it's a thriller cinema. It's releasing on 31st January. It's my love to my brother Shahid Kapoor. I can promise one thing. A lot of people comes and promise a lot of things I have seen. But this promise is from my heart. I can promise this will be another Shahid Kapoor for sure.
I think this is truly the brainchild of the man on my left. It's his vision completely, and we've all worked in service of his vision. From the time that we met, probably 8 years ago, he just reminded me. It's been quite a journey. On that journey and along the way, there have been so many people who've come on board, from writers to HODs who helped us to realize his vision. And it was when Shahid loved the story and came on board that the film actually came together. But I think it's been an incredible creative experience for all of us, the whole production team. Roshan has seen Bombay through eyes that none of us who've lived and grown up in the city have seen it from. So that's incredible. He's presented the city as almost another character. And the film I think is going to work pretty much everywhere where we can reach out to audiences. So our colleagues at Z who've supported us from the start intend to take it far and wide, and we're looking forward to the 31st of Jan. It's all because of you, by the way. I was a school teacher, class representative, and honestly, this is मेरी अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी picture है, and it's because of Siddharth sir, Roshan sir, Shahid, and Pooja, and I'm really excited. I was damn excited to be part of this film, and thank you for having me in this film. And the intensity in not just in this scene, it's in every scene in the film, and it's Shahid and Roshan sir's vision, which is fantastic, by the way.
I have to say that I have really explored this newfound respect for journalists, because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So I think Diya is the perfect tucker to Dave's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind, she's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that he's being questioned about, which is the line which he's saying that police ya mafia is written by Diya because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Diya. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
This is 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have, from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film, to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because it will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions, and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I am capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है, और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया, और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all.
I've always been attracted to this investigative journalist, that kind of a character. But I think the brief, in films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought, I love the intensity, and I like the urge to know and find out the truth. And sometimes, with people like that, they tend to be blinded by everything else except for finding this out. But I think the brief that Roshan sir and I, when we first met. Actually, we first met, we thought we'll meet for 5 minutes, and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was I wanted to see Veena and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself, be strong but not rude. And she's at the same time, she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you will kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what I hope Roshan sir I've done justice to portray or Dia, and I have followed your brief.
सर हेयर कट सेम है, बाकी कुछ भी सेम नहीं है सर, बट शायद उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ी सी याद आई। बट इसमें एक्चुअली दो लुक्स हैं देवा की, जो एक थोड़ी सी बहुत सटली रोशन सर ने एडिट में डाली है, क्योंकि जब वो यूनिफॉर्म में आता है तो ही हैज टू बी क्लीन शेवन, और दूसरी लुक है जो रगेड रफ, किसी की नहीं सुनता टाइप, सनकी टाइप, जो पुलिस वाला गुंडा टाइप, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू से, उस टाइप का एक लुक है। लेकिन लुक्स जो है वो तो सिर्फ इनिशियली आपको एक फील देने के लिए होता है, उसके आगे तो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट है, कहानी का मूवमेंट है, कैरेक्टर का टॉप लेयर होता है, लेकिन फिर सब टेक्स्ट होता है, थर्ड लेयर होता है, इसके अंदर काफ़ी कुछ है। ये फिल्म की कहानी और इस बंदे का हेड स्पेस, ये दोनों कनेक्टेड है। ऐसे बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं, जैसे डेविड फिंचर, शी सेड, आई थिंक रोशन ऑल्सो रियली एंजॉयज डेविड फिंचर्स वर्क। तो एक चीज़ होती है कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड होती है, जिसमें परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, और वो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड द इनसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वो दोनों चीज़ें कनेक्टेड होती है, तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देवा, शायद हैदर में भी कुछ हद तक ये चीज़ थी, उसका जो मूड था, पर उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे। इसके अंदर आई थिंक देवा का जो इनर हेड स्पेस है और जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग रोशन ने की है, वो हमेशा कनेक्टेड है। तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मौसम होगा या जिस तरीके की लाइटिंग होगी, जो अमित यहाँ पर हैं, जो हमारे साथ हैं, अमित रॉय, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर अमित एंड केन, who's also here, the entire team is here. तो वो चीज़ें बड़ी इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं अगर आप फिल्म को थोड़ा सा गहराई से देखेंगे, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में सेकंड और थर्ड लेयर है। आजकल कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो बड़ी नॉइजी होती हैं और प्रोमो में बड़ी आवाज़ हो जाती है, बट आप 2.5 घंटा जब बैठते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि उतना ही मिला जो प्रोमो में देखा। कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिसके अंदर आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं ये लिबर्टी लूँगा ये कहने की कि मैंने अपने करियर में जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं, ये डेफिनेटली उस कैटेगरी में आती है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, एक तो इस फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स जो है, दैट्स द रीजन आई डिड दिस फिल्म। मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग।
आई थिंक माय होल मेरा पूरा जो खाना था सेट का, वो स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय शाहिद। शाहिद हैज फेड मी अराउंड 10-15 दिन, ही हैज गॉट फूड फॉर मी। या सबको नहीं मिला। So Shahid used to get me a full dabba, like a full buffet. हाँ, मेरे घर पे कुक नहीं था उस दिन 10 दिन के लिए, so Shahid was kind enough to get food for me, which was lovely. And मुझे नहीं पता था मेरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वो भी ऐड हो गया, so nicely done. But I think our romance on screen was fantastic because we got along very very well off screen. I met Shahid I think before we shot. 10 days before, I think Diwali पे कहीं पर, and I told Shahid कि did you know that time I was doing the film? Shahid. But that's the time I told him that I've grown up, copying his dance steps, and I joined Shamak because Shahid was in Shamak, so always been a big fan of his. Always been a big fan of Roshan sir. And Siddharth sir, I just want to say, you were the first person who called me after Thappad release, so that was the biggest thing that I could get a call from you. So I've worked with this wonderful crew, and Shahid was literally the backbone of this, so thank you.
I saw something beautiful the other day. It says that as actors, we should be allowed allowed to fail. Okay, because only when we fail, we will be able to give you something new. Otherwise, we get into the pattern of following the trend and following what kya chal raha hai, kya nahi chal raha hai. So I concentrate on what can I bring new, and that's where I am at in my life, and I can only answer for myself. I think अगर हम देखें कि क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, like I don't know, like box office is very important for sure as a producer, and I hope that Sid Roy Kapoor is raking in all the money for this film. But at the same time, I feel like it's not a pressure that I should take, because as long as I do the job that has been commissioned to me right and fair enough, that pushes me more than box office numbers. और बहुत बार हम देखते हैं कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है पर बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नहीं चली, पर 10 साल के बाद it's like a super hit film, and we are like, अरे why didn't this film really work at the box office? So as long as you make something that lasts for generations and people come back to you and say that was a really good film, that is what I strive for.